A live look at Washington, D.C. this morning, where flags are flying at half-staff honoring Senator John McCain, who lost his battle with brain cancer. It's a sober day for the American people. Many are remembering Senator John McCain, an American war hero and political giant.
McCain died yesterday after battling an aggressive form of brain cancer. KCAL 9's Laurie Perez joins us now with reaction to McCain's passing. Laurie.
Serene and Amy, accolades are pouring in from those closest to the senator and those across the aisle. Evidence of the kind of respectful opposition that was his trademark and that many hope will be his legacy. John McCain was a military hero, a longtime senator from Arizona, and a two-time presidential contender. Last night, a motorcade escorted a hearse carrying McCain's body from his home in Sedona to a mortuary in Phoenix. His daughter Megan released a statement saying in part, "I was with my father at his end as he was with me at my beginning. In the 33 years we shared together, he raised me, taught me, corrected me, comforted me, encouraged me, and supported me in all things." President Trump tweeted, "My deepest sympathies and respect go out to the family of Senator John McCain. Our hearts and prayers are with you." Former President Obama released a statement saying in part, "Few of us have been tested the way John once was or required to show the kind of courage that he did. But all of us can aspire to the courage to put the greater good above our own." Former President George W. Bush wrote, "John McCain was a man of deep conviction and a patriot of the highest order." Here in Los Angeles, Mayor Garcetti had this to say, "John McCain was an American hero. He served with courage, honor, and humility. Rest in peace, and thank you for serving our nation."
Very courageous, very humble. He really took time to talk to people. Even if you'd people that disagreed with him, he would always take the time to try to find out where they're coming from. And I think that's one of the greatest assets of John McCain.
Senator McCain will lie in state in both Washington, D.C. and at the Arizona State Capitol. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Laurie.